Guess what came in the mail? Shoe goo. Now, my husband swears by this stuff. So much, in fact, that he wanted to make sure I ordered him this because he's almost out with his last one. Yes, he just loves it. It's good to the last drop. So definitely recommend this product. This is good for leather, rubber, vinyl, as well as canvas. And one of the things that my husband used this for was his fishing waders, and the sole came off. So that was really a good quick fix, and we definitely recommend this product. So hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.